Hey, Frank with the Dane Frankie and family. I'm trying to beat the clouds out here. I don't know how good you can. Come on, turn it. There you go. I don't know if you can see, but it's getting dark. And we got some bad weather coming. So we're gonna jump out here and check out this garden. We're gonna just look and see what it. I ain't been out here in several days. They've been telling me I need to come look at it. Tina's out here. She just got us some mealworms. We're gonna feed or some, whatever they're called, black fly larvae, the grub terror that I made a video on here a while back, and we'll feed them a little bit of a treat before all this bad weather hits. And we'll take a look at our garden real quick. Okay.
Here's my tomatoes. They're growing.
Have you seen that one on?
Yeah, I see that one.
You don't see that one down there? There's Josie. Josie! There's her tomato plants. That's a contraption she came up with to keep them upright.
They need stakes. I think will work better.
You're the one that decided to go with that?
I don't know, but I think it will work better with stakes. But they're growing. Here's my pepper plant.
It's growing pretty good.
Doing pretty good, I think.
I'm fascinated over the tomatoes. Josie? Okay.
Here's
Squash?
my squash. It's growing really big.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One over there, 3 right there,
And
and then that one, and that one. 6 plants.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this one might be it. I don't know. This one looks like a cucumber though. These are cucumbers right here. All of these right here.
They're coming up all over the
There's
place.
one over there.
There's a little one coming up. Somewhere right there.
Yeah.
The squash plants are doing pretty good. And I'm pretty sure that's an onion. Right there.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I think
I don't know.
No, that's just grass.
I don't.
That's just grass.
Leave it. Leave it. Let's just see what it is.
No, there was onion right here, but it's not there.
Yeah, that one. That one.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. I don't know what they look like. I think that was the one you pulled the top off of, woman.
No, I don't think so, because I didn't plant onions right there. I'm pretty sure.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see.
Oh. But yeah, I'm fascinated over these tomato plants right here.
They're growing.
And the little one that I picked out that had the one tomato on it. At least we know we'll get one tomato out of all this.
I think we'll get more because there's a flower here. They said if it blooms,
There's a bud right there. There's a bud right there.
there's one already right here.
Down in there somewhere, she pointing to. Right there, yep.
But no. Yeah, there's one right here.
So maybe
So maybe I'm doing good. I hope I have a good turnout. I think it would be do better.
Yeah, we'll get some steaks. What do y'all use for y'all's tomato plants to keep them up? What?
There's mushrooms growing.
Mushrooms.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all can hear that thunder, but we'll hurry up and get these mealworms in here to the chickens before it starts raining. There they are. They love these things. I'm gonna flip over to my phone though. Y'all want to see how much chickens love grub terra? Black fly larvae. Look at this, they go crazy. Going to town. Best treat I've found so far. They love it. $1:50 in the afternoon, and it's looking like it's about 7:30 at night. Wind chimes are chiming. Leaves are blowing.